This is DJI Neo, and today I'll show how you can enable or disable the skin filters or the, human skin post-processing, should I say, on this drone. So whether you would like for humans or for people or for yourself personally to be automatically post-processed using the DJI Fly app, and for the glamorous or skin smoothing effects to be applied or not, you will first need to launch the DJI Fly app and go into GoFly interface or simply enter the camera view. Now select the album section or simply open the gallery, and here tap at these three dots to your top right. Now you'll find the skin effects option, which you can disable if you do not want for your footages, recordings, or photos to be post-processed, or for them to automatically apply those glamorous effects once again, or the skin smoothing filter. Or if you would like for it to be active, obviously just enable the skin effects option. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.